Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Polynomial exercise 2.3 in that third sum. Let's see the question. Obtain all the zeros of polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are plus or minus 5 root 3. So root 5 by 3 they have given. Here they have given the zeros and there is a polynomial. We need to find the zeros of the polynomial. Yeah, these two are the two zeros of this polynomial. How many zeros will be there? For that, the degree, that is the highest power, will tell you how many zeros will be there. Here the highest power is 4, that is the degree is 4. So there will be 4 zeros. Already 2 zeros are given. We need to find the rest of the 2 zeros. Here the zeros are given. We need to form a quadratic polynomial for this and we need to divide the quadratic polynomial with this to find the other zeros. First we'll form a quadratic polynomial. This is an important question. It is asked in board. So read it properly. Here we'll find the quadratic polynomial. The general form of the quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum into x plus product. Here x square minus sum. You need to add this 2. So I'm just writing it in the bracket with the same sign into x plus product will be multiplying of this 2. So I am going to solve this. Here it becomes x square. Here this 2 gets cancelled and becomes 0. So 0 into x you can leave it off. Here plus into minus will become minus. Root number with the root with the same value. Here the root go off. It becomes 5 by 3. So root 5 into root 5 will become 5 and root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So I am writing it to be 5 by 3. This can be also written as, we can take LCM and we can write this to be 3x square minus 5. By 3 you can leave it off while dividing. Yeah, I am going to divide this polynomial with the given polynomial to find the zeros. Here 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. I am going to divide this by 3x square minus 5. Now 3 into 1 will become 3. So 3 x square into x square will become x power 4. Now I have multiplied this. I need to multiply this too. It is plus into minus and it's a x square term. Write it here minus 5x square. Write it in the like term. For subtraction, change the sign. This gets cancelled and here I am bringing this number here. Now plus minus, you need to subtract it. If I subtract, it becomes 3x square. Now I am bringing minus 10x term down. So 3 into dash gives you 6. 3 into 2, 6. X square into x will become x cube. Now if I multiply this to minus 10x. Change the sign. As it is a factor, your remainder should be 0. If it is not 0, check the sum because it is a factor. It is a 0, so the remainder will be always 0. Here this gets cancelled. I am bringing this number here 3x square minus 5. If I multiply this with minus 1, I get minus 3x square. Minus into minus will become plus 5. Sorry, with the greater number plus here, so it becomes plus. Minus into plus will become minus, so change the sign. Here it gets cancelled, here is also it gets cancelled, the remainder is 0. If the remainder is not 0, please check your sum. So my remainder has become 0, I need to find the rest of the zeros. Here the quotient, you need to factorize it. The quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1. I need to do splitting the middle term. If I split it. Yeah, this is the product and this is the sum. I need to multiply this to get 1, and for addition 1 plus 1 will become 2. So x square, it is plus 1x and plus 1x plus 1. I'm just splitting this number to be 1x and 1x. Here take common outside, so x plus 1, here is also plus 1 outside, so x plus 1. Write the bracket first and then see to that what should come to get 1x. Write the same bracket only once and the outside in another bracket. So if I put this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, I get this will be equal to minus 1 and this will be also be minus 1. Now we have found two zeros already. We know two zeros. Therefore, the final answer should be the zeros are minus 1 comma minus 1 comma. We need to write all the 4 zeros. As the degree is 4, we need to write all the 4 zeros. So it is minus root 5 by 3 plus root 5 by 3. So that's all with the sum. This is the final answer. Thank you.